Want glowing skin? Watch till the end for the secret. Welcome back. Today, we're revealing the secret to glowing skin, and it's probably in your fridge: spinach. Ever looked in the mirror and wished for a more radiant, glowing complexion? Can one veggie transform your skin? Let's find out. Well, look no further than your local grocery store. Spinach is an incredible source of nutrients, and it's especially packed with vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerhouse when it comes to skincare. It helps renew skin cells, encouraging the growth of new, healthy cells for a fresh, even tone. Think of it as a natural skin rejuvenator, but the benefits don't stop there. Spinach is also rich in beta-carotene, a vital nutrient for overall health, and especially beneficial for your skin. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A, which your body cleverly turns into vitamin A, a critical component for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A is absolutely essential for achieving clear, healthy skin. It supports cell turnover and keeps your skin looking its best. One of the amazing things beta-carotene does is help reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, those pesky uneven patches that can make your skin look dull. By targeting these areas, beta-carotene contributes to giving you a more uniform look, creating a smoother and more balanced complexion. And let's not forget about antioxidants. Spinach's antioxidants act as bodyguards, defending your skin against environmental aggressors. They play a crucial role in protecting your skin from the damaging effects of pollution, which can accelerate aging and cause breakouts. Plus, they help shield your skin from harmful UV rays and the negative impacts of stress, both of which can wreak havoc on your complexion. All of these incredible nutrients work together in perfect harmony, creating a synergistic effect that amplifies their individual benefits. This powerful combination helps to fight dullness, revitalizing your skin and working to keep your skin radiant and healthy looking. Incorporating spinach into your diet is like giving your skin a brightening cocktail from the inside out, nourishing it with the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. So, before you reach for those pricey serums and expensive treatments, start with this green powerhouse. It's a simple, affordable, and effective way to boost your skin's natural radiance. Just a handful a day can make a real difference in the health and appearance of your skin. It's simple, natural, and effective, making it an easy addition to your daily routine. Ready to glow? Let's keep going and explore more ways to unlock your skin's natural beauty. Hydrated skin starts from within. It's not just about what you put on your skin, but what you want plumper, softer skin. This tip is for you, your body. Proper hydration is the foundation for a radiant and healthy complexion, and spinach delivers a powerful punch of hydration and essential nutrients. It's a true beauty food. Its high water content works wonders to plump up your skin cells, and vitamin A helps regulate your skin's natural oils, preventing both dryness and excess shine. This helps in keeping it soft and supple to the touch. The vitamin E found in spinach acts as a shield, protecting against environmental damage from pollution and UV rays. This helps to fortify your skin's natural defenses and locks in moisture, keeping it hydrated throughout the day. Iron boosts blood flow, ensuring that your skin cells receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to thrive. This increased circulation gives your skin a healthy, rosy glow, making you look and feel revitalized. Well-hydrated, well-nourished skin is the key to a youthful appearance. It looks plump and youthful, with fewer fine lines and wrinkles. So add spinach to your meals in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. It's a simple and delicious way to give your skin that extra hydration boost it craves. It's an easy and effective way to support your skin's natural barrier, protecting it from external aggressors. Let's see how spinach helps fight aging next, unlocking even more of its incredible benefits. Worried about wrinkles? Worried about aging? Discover a natural solution. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that act like internal sunglasses, shielding your skin from sun damage. They help protect collagen and elastin, keeping your skin firm and smooth. Studies show these nutrients improve skin's hydration and elasticity. Add spinach to your diet for a natural defense against premature aging. Remember, it's not a substitute for sunscreen, but it's a powerful support. Now let's talk about clearer skin. Struggling with breakouts? Struggling with breakouts? This might surprise you. Spinach's chlorophyll has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory powers to calm your skin from within. Vitamin C speeds up healing and reduces the risk of scars. Iron supports blood flow, helping your skin repair itself faster. This trio helps reduce redness, swelling, and spots. Eating spinach regularly can lead to clearer, calmer skin. It's a gentle, natural way to fight acne. Next, let's talk detox. Spinach is more than just a leafy green. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that actively supports your body's natural detoxification processes. It's a fantastic addition to any diet focused on wellness. Want a natural detox? Start here. It's packed with fiber, folate, and magnesium, all working in synergy to promote a healthier you. Fiber keeps your gut healthy and functioning optimally. It aids in moving toxins out efficiently, ensuring your digestive system runs smoothly. Folate boosts liver function, supporting your main detox organ, the liver, in its crucial role. Magnesium helps control stress and inflammation, which are key factors in overall well-being, both of which can show up on your skin, manifesting as blemishes or dullness. Together, these nutrients work synergistically to help clear your skin from the inside out, promoting a radiant complexion. Add spinach to your daily routine, whether in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. It's a simple step for a natural detox boost, supporting your body's natural cleansing abilities. It's a simple way to support your skin's clarity and glow, enhancing your natural beauty from within. Let's wrap up. Who knew spinach could do so much for your skin? Ready for glowing skin? Here's your simple path. Add it to smoothies, salads, or stir-fries for an easy beauty boost. Healthy skin starts with what you eat, so feed it well. Try spinach juice or a DIY face mask for extra glow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you next time.